on, Brain. We're going on a cruise.
Soon, Mad Cat, the most valuable jewels in the world will be mine. I said mine. Are the agents in place yet?
Almost, Dr. Claw. We're replacing the crew.
Quickly, the ship is set to depart soon.
Yes, Dr. Claw.
We gotta get on board before the ship leaves. But how? That's it, Brain. All we have to do is hide in the luggage, and that crane will take us up to the ship. We've got to find something to hide in. This should do. Help me get the top off. I'll search the ship and see if Dr. Claw is on board. I don't understand. The signal is coming from there, but there's nothing here. Uh-oh. A secret door? No wonder I couldn't find anything. If I press the right combination, it should work. Gosh.
Are the men ready to proceed?
Yes, Dr. Claw. They're waiting for your command.
Fine. Once the jewels are collected, have them brought here immediately.
Yes, Dr. Claw.
Have patience, Mad Cat. Soon millions of dollars worth of precious gems will be in my hands.
Dr. Claw's gonna steal all the passengers' jewels. Brain, are you ready for some action? Dr. Claw's on board and he's about to steal the jewels. Dr. Claw's men must have stolen the jewels when the lights went off. The lights are back on. Dr. Claw must already have the jewelry.
So, what do we have here?
Uh-oh. You can't do this. Put me down, you
Oh, I
big
don't
bully.
think so. I think you should come with me.
So, you got my old friend.
Oh, she was spying on us, Dr. Claw.
Well, dispose of her for a moment. We must prepare for our departure.
Come on, little girl. I've got just the place for you. Get in there.
Ow! Brain, I've been caught by Dr. Claw. They've locked me in a cage in the boiler room. They have the stolen jewels. You've got to get down here somehow. There's a secret passage at the back of the boat. Here's what you do.
The submarine is in sight. Our rendezvous with the mad submarine will happen shortly. Once the jewels are safely aboard, we will have to get rid of excess baggage. First, the crew. Quickly, it's time to lighten our load. Get rid of the crew and our unexpected guest.
It will be a pleasure, I'm sure. Yow!
Brain, the ropes!
Ow, 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 yeah!
Quick, I have to call Chief Quimby. Thank you. Chief Quimby will be here in a minute, Brain. Uh-oh. Go!
Hey!
The submarine is in place. Take the jewels off.
I've got to stop that crane.
We've got the jewels, and the mad agents have been arrested. But unfortunately, we didn't find Dr. Claw.